White heavy checkmark does Sugar Defender work. Sugar Defender is designed with a blend of natural ingredients to help manage blood sugar levels, support weight management, and improve overall health. Countless users have reported noticeable improvements in their energy levels and well-being after regular use. But remember, results vary from person to person. White heavy checkmark how TO use Sugar Defender for optimal results. Take 2 capsules daily, preferably with a meal, to ensure maximum absorption of the natural ingredients in Sugar Defender. Consistency is key to getting the best results. White heavy checkmark Sugar Defender ingredients. The formula includes natural, safe, and scientifically backed ingredients that are generally well tolerated. However, it's always a good idea to consult with your healthcare provider if you have any pre-existing conditions or are taking medications. White heavy checkmark is Sugar Defender FDA approved. While Sugar Defender is manufactured in an FDA-registered facility, the supplement itself is not FDA approved. This is standard for dietary supplements, but the individual ingredients are considered safe and natural. White heavy checkmark Sugar Defender benefits. People have shared a range of benefits from using Sugar Defender, including better blood sugar management, improved metabolism, and support for weight loss. The blend of ingredients works together to promote a healthier lifestyle and overall well-being. White heavy checkmark Sugar Defender customer reviews. There are numerous positive testimonials from satisfied customers who have experienced real improvements in their daily lives thanks to Sugar Defender. Many have praised its effectiveness, noting better blood sugar levels and increased energy.